Change of roller today on Stothert and Pitt this morning. All these items were sandblasted and starting to come together now and making notes of what needs welding, what dents to take out. Repaired the arm. That was the end. The last 6 inches of that was corroded so bad it would have come off my hand. So basically putting that back together with copper slip to stop it seizing up. I'm doing a bit on the main frame today using the hydrovane compressor. Right, this is the main frame of the Stothert and Pitt. It's been all cleaned out, all the old paint removed, taken right back to bare metal and primed. All around the gearbox area was done using paint stripper. I think you get better. I don't like using blasted material here. Seals, I think it makes extra work, to be honest, and causes damage. Started stripping the bonnet off a paint stripper and come across the original Stothert and Pitt vibroll decal, which was made with. So I don't think there's many coats of paint, different colour paints. So it's basically rubbing the frame down, taking all the crap off it, just working away from top to bottom. I've worked down to the bed plate now for the engine mount to those 4 holes there. The Villiers Mark 25 goes in on the bolted to the frame there. And that's the drive shaft to the gearbox. See them come up with a reference number, and number 13672 is the number of this gearbox. So that's the other side. That's the drive side of the machine. The machine can be spun round and cleaned. And this is the vibration side of the machine. Yeah, that shaft there, when running, does 4,200 RPM. And induces vibration into the rolls, and therefore compacting, well, tarmac or stone or whatever. So I've got a bit more cleaning to do on the rear end of it. Then this is going to be cleaned off. I just want to see what decals on here, because I'm going to reproduce that decal. I've done a bit more on the Stothert and Pitt, but the weather today is a bit unpredictable. I think we're going to get a shower, so when we're doing any sort of painting as such, or cleaning off, so I guess I'll have a break from the evening today and concentrate on the Stothert and Pitt. This machine was built 1968 in Bath, and you used to see these quite a lot, the petrol ones, but eventually went to diesel. They were Lister Petters, and you can still see these around today. But a lot of jobs use vibrating plate compactors these days instead of rollers. So you don't see these so often as you used to now. They do a good job. Another item, a classic plant, and another enjoyable restoration project. So I still haven't decided what colour I'm going to paint it in the end. I've got a full brand new tin of British Racing Green, which would look good actually. So I may do that. So it's time for the coffee now, and do a little bit more after lunch, and so I'll call it a day then. Go have a break sometime, but it's a nice project. It's a really nice project, and takes me back to my apprentice days when this was actually this type of roller was a phase test. As part of my apprenticeship, to assess me, I had to rebuild one basically, and do a write-up on it, take, and draw drawings and whatever. When I was in Catay's plant depot near Cardiff, so well, there's a bit of nostalgia again, so till next time.